So we came to this customer. We need to change this lock. We need to make a deadbolt over here, and we need to change the lock of that door. I'm done with the other doors. If you want to check them out, both doors are done. The keys are here. You can check the keys right here. You got 4 keys. 1 key fits all, but you got 4 copies. And I'm going. You want to check it out? First of all, you lock. You want to lock, you press that button. Then to unlock, you put the code in. Try to open by the knob. Okay, now unlock by the buttons. Okay, come on. Good to go? Yeah, and look, this is the same key for others. Now is the final test before leaving.